Boo! Happy Halloween! Here's the scoop, guys. I started DoorDashing without ya. Yeah, I sure did. I know. I am bad. Bad. Well, I was supposed to go with my son today. He had a doctor's appointment and then a 3-hour drive to pick up a 3D printer on steroids. And he decided to order it instead because they were offering free shipping. I get up early because he needed to leave his house by 8:30 a.m. for his doctor's appointment. And he's a good 20 minutes away. I flew to his house because I got out the door late. I get to his house, he comes out, messy hair and stuff, crawls out of bed. Here, he rescheduled his doctor's appointment for next week and decided to order the printer. And he says, Mom, I told you I'd let you know. I went back in the text messages. Yeah, he sure did. Somehow I read over it. Missed it somehow. And so I decided, well, I'm out. I might as well do the late breakfast shift. I got one order, and then it was right in the same town as him. Really good one, $9.43. And it was only 2.3 miles. Part way back to my area. And so I took it, and that's where I'm starting at. There were no screenshots. None. And I did that order, and I said, I'm tired. I got all the way back to the normal area. No orders popped up, and I said, okay. I'm going home and editing, and that was the video that you saw today. Well, actually yesterday, but today, that when I'm recording this, I uploaded that before going out to lunch. No, with all that spiel, let's boot up DoorDash. Oh, yeah. Found out that the 10 deliveries for $20 yet again has reset, and my delivery this morning counted as delivery number 1. Can we knock this out in one day? We are on the move. $21.25 stacked order for Wingstop at 7.8 miles total. And that's 2 more towards my 10 deliveries. So this will be 3 out of 10 after both of these are dropped off.
One eternity later.
Took one order out and I need to go grab the other one. What is this yo-yo doing? Hello. Not the best part of town, but quite a view. We're up high on the hills of Charleroi.
Go past the stop sign. Then at the next one, turn right.
Wow, what a classic. Check out this steep hill. This is what Charleroi is made of. A bunch of steep steep freaking hills. And Pizza Hut's just right next door. Yep, DoorDash for Robert. This next order is going to be to a construction worker. I don't know if I'll be able to record it, but this is the construction area that's causing a lot of headaches. Next to a red pickup truck. Let's see if we can find this red. Ah, I see the red pickup truck. Right there. Okay. Yep, and there he is. Okay, I am taking a lunch break. I probably shouldn't. I'm standing at $50.50 right now. My son wants to meet me for lunch, so I'm gonna go do that, and then we're gonna be back at it. We're going into the afternoon hours. It's probably gonna slow down. However, I still got Instacart and Spark if it gets too slow. I already noticed the slow down a little bit, but I will see you back in about an hour. My time, your time, it's just going to be the snap of a finger. Thanks for watching and riding along today. Every dash, every mile, it all adds up. Subscribe if you're chasing that hustle too, and I will see you in the next one.